And see, mashallah, holds its position really nice. This helicopter has a lock on you and you have to surrender. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, assalamu greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to my old spot. We used to fly here like decades ago. I started my hobby practically from this ground with my very first Nitro RC airplane, Explorer. I still have the video on channel. You can check it out. Anyway, we are here once again. This is FlyWing FW450 V3 inside an Airwolf Shell. As you requested more videos, I'm gonna fly it here, scale. Let's hope everything goes right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, here we go. Stay there, please. The barometer doesn't let it stay very close as the wind approaches. All right, let it rise a little and see, mashallah, holds its position really nice. This thing, mashallah, has one of the most beautiful stances. Bell 222 is absolutely a beautiful helicopter in real life. And having to have this Airwolf Shell on FW450 V3, the hottest helicopter, GPS helicopter for now, you know, you are simply gonna love it because you're flying your scaled Airwolf helicopter, and when you're bored of it, you want to do 3D and something, you can immediately, like, if you know, take out the FW450 V3 from inside and quickly put it together, and after that you can start flying. So we have some enemies to chase today, huh? And mashallah, that was a beautiful stance descending. Now that I have a lot of space here, let's see if I can pull some loops and rolls in 3D mode. And hope I don't crash this beauty. So I pulled a loop and a roll for you guys to enjoy. Be careful in 3D mode with the Airwolf Shell on. FW450 V3, look at that. Can actually pick up a lot of speed. I like to fly it in, you know, 3D mode because I've seen how beautiful it handles, becomes more smooth and flies just like a dream, man, mashallah. So what it feels like when, if this Airwolf had guns focused on you. It feels like, you know, you can't run. This helicopter has a lock on you and you have to surrender. I gotta surrender, I'm getting dizzy. So I'm gonna set it to auto return to home now. Alright, my beloved FW450 V3 Airwolf is back and it's landing. So next I gotta practice 3D with the Blue Sky S2 and my new RS4 Legend, white color. I crashed the green one yesterday, so I just have the white one and I hope I don't crash it today. So you'll watch those videos on my channel for sure. Stay tuned, have fun, give this video a big like, and check out the links in video description for you to prepare your Airwolf.
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?